has led all of us to come and thank Your Royal Majesty for coming to see his children in the Uzairue Kingdom, and for also granting us that privilege for him, not only physically present, but to bless the land and also commission our new palace. That is why we are here, and also to celebrate with Your Royal Majesty this period of Ewere. And we are told that our daddy is taking care of us today. Uzairue, the last time, the joy knew no bounds, and our people have been so excited and happy, and it's evergreen in their memory.